Hi, dear students. Welcome back to Computer Science class. We have already completed our last unit, Web Applications and Security, and seen different topics related to web and accessibility options, different accessibility options, and workplace safety and security. And now it's time to look at our next unit. It's all about digital documentation, and it's an advanced topic, of course, as we have already learned intermediate topics in our ninth standard. Now we are heading to digital documentation advanced topic. So as a part of vocational curriculum, we have to deal with digital documentation to a very great extent because it is of course a part of desktop publishing, and you must be a skilled programmer. Actually the motive or aim of this curriculum itself is making new people technically skilled in desktop publishing especially. Okay, so digital documentation plays a vital role in your curriculum or in your syllabus. So it's presented by me, Gautam. Okay, so actually what is digital documentation? What do you mean by documentation? Let's consider our school. Okay, the school office. If we don't follow any digital documentation, how will we store or manage all the kind of documents? Documents in the sense your application. You mean application? Okay, your application. Then your report cards, your academic and co-academic mean co-curricular activities documents, your TC and your certificates. All these belong to what documentation, right? Yes. So how do they manage? How do the office people manage it? Do you know this? Yes. They keep it in separate files, hard files, right? Hard files, and they may be keeping in separate places. There will be different shelves, of course. Okay. So, but the problem with that is it may be time consuming. Suppose you want to get your certificate, okay? Any of the certificates. So what you want to do is just go and approach them. So they'll try to find it, okay? So it may be time consuming, right? But digital documentation, when you do it what digitally, I mean not in the form of hardware, okay? I mean hard copy of the documents. We do keep it digitally. I mean soft copies, right? Okay. So digital documentation is of course a vital plays a vital role in every institution, every company, every organization, of course. Okay, it definitely what reduce your time, you reduce your effort, of course. Okay, so knowing digital documentation is very essential for you. Okay, as a student or as a or whatever you all are managing these kinds of files in your daily lives, right? Okay, daily life, yeah. So in digital documentation, actually in ninth standard we have followed Microsoft Office, Word, right? Word. But here in 10th standard we have slight difference. Okay, we are making use of Open Office Writer. Okay, Open Office Writer, and you can experience some slight changes in the options. Okay, so that's the only change, but most of the features are somewhat same. Okay, so let's move on. Yeah. So these are the important sessions to be covered in this chapter. Session 1, create and apply styles in the document. Actually, you have already applied styles in a Word document. Okay. Session 2, insert and use images. Inserting and using images. Then session 3, create and use template. Session 4, create and customize table of contents. And finally, session 5, implement mail merge. Okay. So these are the topics, and all these topics are related to what? Managing document. Okay. Managing your files. Yes. So let's move on. Okay, let's start with session 1. Create and apply styles in the document. Actually, what do you mean by style? Style means when you get the term style, the things comes in your mind. Will definitely be giving font style, giving font, italics, bold, increasing the size, decreasing the size, coloring, all this kind of stuff, right? Actually, exactly what style is what it is, right? But we don't have to explain style as this, okay? So let's move on to the definition. A style is a set of formats that you can apply to selected pages, text, frames, and other elements in your document. Actually, these are some of the elements. Okay, pages, text, frames, and some other elements, images. Okay, all those are elements, of course. And style is a set of formats that you can apply to a selected. Means you have to select. Okay, to quickly change their appearance, to quickly manage their appearance. When you apply style, you apply a whole group of formats at the same time. Okay. Yes. Then styles are logical attributes, of course. Styles help improve consistency in a document. Actually, in this presentation, I'd like to club with your textbook as well. Okay. So it will be very helpful for you. And we have the software itself, software as well. Yeah. So here it is. Yeah. Styles and logical attributes. Okay, please stop seeing font size 14 times New Roman bolds and all this kind of stuff. Okay, instead you start seeing title. Okay, because it all belongs to title. To have those characteristics. Okay, in other words, style means that you shift the emphasis from what the text to what the text itself is. Okay, how meaning how the text appears. You have to change your focus, your emphasis from how what the text to how the text is, or what the text is, right? Emphasis from what the text look like to what actually the text is. Please don't go for the look. Okay, it's the text itself deals with style. Yes, style improve consistency in our document. Okay, there are also many comments is, yeah. Then we have, yes, here these are the different what styles, okay, supported by OpenOffice.org. Okay, page styles, paragraph styles, character styles, frame styles, numbering styles, cell styles, graphic styles, presentation styles. These are some of the styles offered by OpenOffice.org. Okay, so we can start with page styles, which include margins, headers and footers, borders and backgrounds, and in calc it's an option calc. Okay, page styles are also include what the sequence of printing sheets. So that's what actually page cells is, deals with margin, headers and footers, borders and backgrounds. Yes. Then paragraph style, control the all aspects of paragraph appearance. How does it appear? Okay, like text alignment, tab stops, line spacing, and borders, and include also include what character formatting. Then character size. It's all about character, right? Such as font size, then bold, italic, all this kind of stuff. Then frame styles. Okay, it's all about frames. Yeah, graphic and text frames, including wrapping type, borders, background, and columns. Right. Then numbering styles. It's about numbers. Okay, similar alignment. Apply similar alignment, numbering and bullet characters. Bullets, you know that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Then fonts to numbered and or bulleted lists, right? Yes. Then giving numbers or bullets, yeah. Cell size also include what, which include fonts, alignment, border, background, number formats. Okay, number formats, for example, currency, date, and number. Okay, there are different formats we follow, and cell protection. Okay, then graphic styles in drawing and presentations include line. It's all about graphics, right? Line, area, shadowing, transparency, font, connectors, dimensioning, all this kind of stuff. Okay, then presentation styles include attributes for font, indent, spacing, alignment, and tabs. Okay, yes. Okay, moving on. Yes, applying styles. Okay, that's the first topic, applying styles. OpenOffice.org provides several ways for you to select styles to apply. Meaning we are going to apply styles. Okay, using the first method is using the styles and formatting window. Here is the window. You could see this, right? Styles and formatting window, and click the styles and formatting icon located at the left hand side. End of the object bar, that is, or click format style formatting or +11. That's a shortcut. Okay, and it looks like this styles and formatting. You can see different options: paragraph styles, character styles, frame styles, page styles, live list styles, and fill format mode. Okay, then there are some other modes as well. The styles and formatting window for writer, that is OpenOffice Writer, that's what we're using. Okay, that's a platform. Yeah, showing paragraph styles. Okay, yes, let's switch over to your textbook. Okay, yes, here it is. You could see somewhat a kind of symbol like this. Okay, just go and have it. Yes, and you can go and try it. Okay, no problems. Yeah, then next is all about using fill format mode. Okay, using fill format mode. Fill format mode means it's a mode used to apply a style to many different areas quickly without having to go back to the styles and formatting window and double click every time. Actually in the previous session we have followed what, we have just gone to styles and formatting, and you have to select the text and you have to apply it, right? But here in fill format, you know what fill format is actually. Yes, it's a mode used to apply styles to many different areas quickly without having get back to the styles and formatting window. It's another option, of course. We can say what, it's another option. Okay, and while using styles and formatting window, you'll have to select and double click every time. Yes, then create new custom styles. Yes, you can create a new style as well, new custom style. Custom means, customizing means a user can add his own or her own what kind of stuff. Okay, yes. So creating a new style from a selection, you can create a new style by copying an existing manual format. Okay, Yeah, you can just create a new just by copying what an existing one. Just by copying and this new style applies only to this document. It will not be saved in the template. Okay, actually this will be applied only to the present, only to the current document, and it will not be what saved as a template. Okay, you know what actually template is? Template is the built-in or uh, fill in the blank. Okay, built-in fill in the blank field or already defined kind of stuff is what template is, right? Yes. And the second is dragging and dropping to create a style. The first one is creating a new style from a selection from an existing one. Okay, yes. And the second one is dragging and dropping to create a style. You can drag and drop a text selection into the styles and formatting window to create a new style. Okay, that is drag and drop means you have to drag from an existing place and drop it to the text selection. Okay, into the styles and formatting, not the text selection. Drop a text selection, that selection, to the styles and formatting window to create a new style. Yes. So these are the two ways to what apply with fill format mode. Okay, using fill format mode. One is create new styles. That means from an existing one, from a selection, and the second is dragging and dropping to create a style. Okay, yes. And let's have a quick look at your textbook. Okay, here it is, creating new custom styles, and actually it's shown all the what procedures. Okay, step by step things are given here, and the best practice is of course practice. Of course we have to do it, right? We have to practice it, and then only we'll get to know what actually it is, how does it work, all those kind of things. Okay, it will be what very essential for you for your theory as well as practicals. Okay, yes. And there might be some unfamiliarity with the platform, but don't worry. Okay, we can go to it. Okay, we can have more practice on this. Yes, don't worry. Yeah. So this is what create styles window is. Create style window is. Okay, you can see new style, my style. Okay, that's one we are creating, and okay and cancel. Yeah. Then dragging and dropping to create a style. Okay, yes, it's another option. Yes, you can go to it. Yes. Then modifying styles. Here in modifying styles we have two options. uh, okay, openoffice.org provides several ways to modify styles. Okay, we can modify styles as well, both the predefined styles and custom styles that you create. Okay, that means we have both predefined styles and custom styles. Predefined styles are already available styles supported by provided by the platform, and custom styles are styles which are created by the user, right? We have already seen how to create. Yes, from a selection and drag and drop. That's it. Then updating style from a selection, and second option is loading styles from a template or document. Updating a style from a selection, just like what we have seen here, create a new style from a selection, right? Updating a style from a selection. And the second is loading styles from a template or document. Loading styles from an existing template or document, just like what drag and drop. Okay, yes. So here you can see what different styles, right? Default is the one which is already selected. Okay, styles and formatting window, load styles. Here it is, load styles. You can load it from what predefined or existing template, right? That's what this is. Okay, categories, templates, you can see this. Yes. Then let's go and check out the OpenOffice. Okay, here it is, OpenOffice. You have to install OpenOffice first. You can go to Apache OpenOffice and you can download any version of that. Okay, then these are the some of the options, and actually we have already we have already worked with this OpenOffice for database, but this time we are looking at text document, that is OpenOffice, right? Okay, yes, just click on that. Just a second, it's coming. Okay, yes, this is the option we're using. Okay, so here is a window. Okay, you can see untitled one, OpenOffice Writer. So this is a platform. Last year we have followed Microsoft Office Word, but this year it's OpenOffice Writer. Okay, so you can experience some slight changes. Yes, so this is it. Okay, so these are the options. Okay, you could see we have some other text as well. Yes. Okay, you yes, insert format. You can see styles and formatting, right? Styles and formatting. This is the one what we have seen: paragraph styles, character styles, frame styles, page styles. Okay, list styles. Okay, these are some of the what options here. Okay, then you can, this is what fill format mode is, right? Then new style from selection. Yes, you could see all this. What you want to do is just go and practice it. That's it. Okay, here we'll not get enough time to practice. I cannot show it actually because it may be getting very lengthy. So actually you don't like lengthy video, right? Okay, yes. So here in this session we'll look at mainly at the what theory stuff. Okay, then after completing this theory stuff in detail, you can go for practicing it. Okay, yes. Without knowing this, just please don't go for practicing. First you get a clear understanding of what actually the theory part is. Okay, yes. So this is how we can work with styles. Okay, you know what actually style is? Style means it's a set of formats that you can apply to selected pages, text, frames, and these are some of the elements, right? Yes, to quickly change their appearance, and actually you have to change your view from what how actually. Please don't say what frame, not frame. Okay, font color, font size, all those kind of stuff. Okay, instead you just tell it's what the text itself or the style itself is what style is, right? Yes, don't go for how does it look like. Okay, the text itself says what it is. That's it. Hope you get it. Hope I'm not making you ambiguous, right? Okay, it's okay. Styles and logical attributes, of course, yeah. These are some of the options. Okay, types of styles: page style, paragraph style, character, frame, numbering, cell style, graphic, presentation, and you can work with all that. Okay, we'll of course we'll do with all that. Okay, then different ways to select styles to apply. Okay, yes. F11, okay, F11, yes, shortcut, yes. Then using fill format, we have seen it, yeah. Okay, create new style from a selection, then drag and drop, and modify style, two options: updating a style from a selection, loading style from a template or document. Okay, so these are the what topics related to styles. Okay, now it's time to look at the second session: insert and use images. You know, when do we use actually this OpenOffice Writer or Microsoft Office Word? Example, of course, in documentation, it's very essential. Okay, we know that we are mainly making use of these kinds of text editors, right? We can call it as text editors for the purpose of editing, managing, dealing with the text data, right? Text data like your report card, your TC, your certificates, your academic performance kind of stuff, everything. Okay, yes, most of the things are done using this Word, or we can say Writer. Okay, OpenOffice Writer. Yeah. Yes. So insert and use images. Of course, when you prepare, when you go for preparing somewhat an assignment or a project, you will have to include images, right? Images. Yes, it will definitely improve your presentation, the appearance, the look, as well as, okay, all these kind of things will be improved by applying, by including or inserting images. Okay, so that's the importance of images, and it's a graphical representation. Of course, it do represent things graphically. So we get a clear understanding of the things, the concepts very thoroughly or very fast. Okay, yes. So we'll look at how to insert images, how to make modifications like cropping, resizing, rotating, all those kind of things, right? Okay. Moving on to the topic, images can be added to a document in several ways: by inserting an image file directly from a graphic program or a scanner, okay, or from an OpenOffice gallery. Of course, these are some of the options: inserting an image directly from a graphic program or a scanner, or from OpenOffice gallery. Normally, we do follow OpenOffice gallery or gallery, right? Yes. Plus, we can insert making use of a scanner just for inserting into. Then inserting an image, drag and drop. That's the first option. Okay, drag and drop. You know how to insert into. Yes. Open a file browser window and locate the image you want to insert. Drag the image into the writer document and drop it where you want to place it, right? Where you want to it to be appeared. Yes. A faint vertical line marks where the image will be dropped. Yes. You can just drag and drop it to where the part of your document where you want to. Okay, that's it. Then insert picture dialog. Yes, click on OpenOffice document where you want to image, where you want the image to appear. Okay, insert picture from what file, from the menu bar. Okay, yes. Then inserting an image from the clipboard. Actually, we know what actually clipboard is, right? Using a clipboard, you can copy images into an OpenOffice document from another OpenOffice document or from other programs. Actually, clipboards are predefined boards, right? Clipboard, a board which are clipped into the software, right? That's what clipboard is. And you can have a number of small sized images as a part of clipboard. Okay, you can insert it. Then second one is inserting an image using a scanner. Suppose a scanner is connected to your computer, and it can call the scanning application and insert what the scanned item into the OpenOffice document. Okay, that means you can scan something using a scanner, and that scanned item can be inserted into your document. That's it. Okay, yes. To start procedure, okay, you can insert picture, scan, select source. Okay, so that's the second option, and the third option is inserting from gallery. The gallery provide convenient way to group reusable objects such as graphics, sounds, okay, all those kind of things. Yes. So this way we can insert an image into the file. Okay, insert image into the writer or to your document, inserting from the clipboard, using a scanner, and from the gallery. Okay. Yes. and the steps are already mentioned in your textbook. You just go to it, okay, you'll get it. Yes, okay. Yes, it's given in very simple English. Okay, you can go for getting how to work with that. Okay, no need to go what into detail because it's already done, so no problems. Okay, yes. So next one is modifying an image. Sometimes you may have to modify the image. Okay, you don't need the actual image anymore. So at the time you can modify it, right? Yes. When you insert a new image, you may need to modify it to suit the document. Okay. Yes. Like use of the picture toolbar, resizing, cropping, and work around to rotate a picture. Okay. Then using the picture toolbar. When you insert an image, that's the first option. Okay. Image or select one already present in the document. Okay. The picture toolbar appears. Then you can set it as set it to always be present. Okay, yes. Picture control, you can make it. Yes. Then okay, using the formatting toolbar and picture dialog. When an image is selected, you can customize some aspects of its appearance using the tool available on the formatting toolbar as well as in the dialog that is shown by right clicking on the image. Okay, yes. Then cropping image, you can crop it. You know how to crop it, right? Yes. Just go for selecting crop option, you can crop it. When you only interested in a section of the image for the purpose of your document, you can crop it, cut it off. Resizing the image, you can resize as well, fit into your document. Okay, yes. So this is how we can deal with images, right? Okay, insert and use images. Inserting an image, okay, we have two options: drag and drop, insert picture dialog. Okay, then inserting an image from the clipboard, we can insert from scanner, from gallery as well. Then modify using the picture toolbar and using the formatting toolbar. Okay, these are the options, and some of the modifications like cropping images and resizing an image. Okay, so these are the topics related to what styles and of course images, right? Okay, hope you get it. It's very simple, and what I want to do is just go through this video first, okay, and have your textbook with you. Go one by one. I haven't mentioned the steps. Okay, it's very simple. Just go and read it. Okay, as I've already mentioned, it will be getting very lengthy, so we cannot go for that. Okay, actually I've shared the what text, I mean your chapter. Okay, yes, so you can go with that. Okay, along with this video, inserting an image using scanner, inserting from the gallery. Then you can see, yes, this is a window. Okay, yes, you can from the gallery, you can insert it from the gallery, modifying an image using picture toolbar, and that's the first option. You can flip, you can add filters, colors, all those invert. Okay, these are some of the options. Okay, yes. Then transparency using formatting toolbar and picture dialog. Okay, you can crop image, you can rotate image, keep image size, left, right, top and bottom, width and height can be set. Resizing the image. Okay, yes, you can see this, changing the size and original size as well. Okay, rotating the picture. Okay, yes. Then creating drawing objects, so we can create drawing objects as well. Yes, change properties of drawing object. Okay, yes. Then resizing drawing objects, then grouping drawing object, then positioning image, graphics within a text. Actually we are not skipping. Okay, please don't think we are skipping. You just go and read it, and we'll discuss all these topics, okay, in the live session. Plus it's actually we have learned all these concepts in now your 9th standard, and only one change is here. Okay, we have on what we have just changed the platform, that's it. Okay, and changing the platform will definitely be difficult for the first time, but when you get familiar to that, no problems, right? Okay, so you can go to that, right? Okay, so this is a platform we are working with. Okay, yes. So this is all for the time being. Okay, you can we'll have more on this in our live session. Okay, so just go through all these topics in detail. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice time. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.